When you're considering a landing page builder, Zoho sites might have come up on your radar. But before you jump in, it's important to understand its strengths and weaknesses. Here are 12 key things you should know before making your decision. First, Zoho Sites offers a drag and drop interface, making it simple to build a landing page, even if you're not tech savvy. Compared to competitors like Wix and Squarespace, it's straightforward, but lacks some of the advanced customization features you get from them. Next thing, while it's user-friendly, Zoho Sites is somewhat limited when it comes to templates. The design options aren't as diverse or stylish as those found on platforms like Shopify or WordPress. So, if you need a more visually striking landing page, you might find this a bit basic. The third thing to consider is pricing. Zoho Sites offers an affordable entry-level plan, but it doesn't include all the features you might expect. To unlock more functionalities, you'll have to upgrade to a higher tier plan, which can end up being pricier compared to some other landing page builders. The fourth thing, integrations. While Zoho Sites supports integration with other Zoho apps, like CRM, it lacks broader third-party app support. This is something platforms like Leadpages or Unbounce do better, with a wider range of integrations to work with various marketing tools. Next up, let's talk about mobile responsiveness. Zoho Sites automatically adjust to mobile screens, ensuring your landing page looks good on smartphones. However, it's not as flexible or customizable as platforms like Wix, which offer more control over mobile versions of your page. The sixth thing, SEO optimization. Zoho Sites includes basic SEO settings, but it's not as robust as competitors like WordPress, which offer more advanced features. You won't get the same level of control over meta tags, URL structure, or custom SEO elements with Zoho Sites. The seventh thing is e-commerce. If you plan to sell products directly through your landing page, Zoho Sites offers some e-commerce functionality, but it's limited. If you're serious about e-commerce, platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce might be more suited to your needs. The eighth thing, performance and speed. Zoho Sites does well in terms of page load speeds, but it's not always as fast as other platforms like Unbounce, which focus heavily on optimizing landing page performance. If speed is a priority, this is worth considering. Next thing, analytics. Zoho Sites offers basic analytics to track your landing page's performance, but it doesn't provide the in-depth insights you'd find in more specialized platforms like Leadpages. You may need to integrate Google Analytics to get a clearer picture. The 10th thing, custom domains. Zoho Sites lets you connect your own domain, but this feature is locked behind a higher tier plan. Other platforms, like WordPress, often offer custom domains at lower price points or even on their free plans. The 11th thing is customer support. Zoho Sites offers decent support, but it might not be as responsive or comprehensive as the support from competitors like Squarespace or Wix, which offer 24/7 assistance. The final thing to consider is scalability. Zoho Sites can be a great start for small businesses or personal projects, but if you need more complex features or plans to grow significantly, you might eventually outgrow it and need to switch to something like Unbounce or WordPress. So, Zoho Sites is a solid option for creating simple, affordable landing pages. It's easy to use, integrates well with other Zoho tools, and performs decently. However, if you're looking for more advanced features or better customization options, there are other platforms out there that might suit your needs better. If you're ready to explore a better solution, check out our recommended landing page builder. You can try it for free and see how it stacks up against Zoho Sites.